Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for presentations. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for creating dynamic and collaborative presentations. We will explore its core features, showing you how to leverage its design capabilities to build compelling visual narratives. You can work with your team in real time, making edits and receiving feedback instantly. This approach streamlines your workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. When designing your slides, begin by setting up a robust design system. Create reusable components for elements like buttons, text styles, and icons. This ensures consistency and efficiency across all your slides. Utilize Figma's auto layout feature to build responsive designs that adapt seamlessly. Incorporate high-quality visuals, perhaps using a consistent color palette of 3 to 5 primary colors to make your content truly stand out. To elevate your presentation, dive into Figma's prototyping features. You can add interactive elements, making your slides more engaging than static images. Use Smart Animate to create fluid and professional transitions between frames, giving your presentation a polished feel. Consider adding overlays for additional information or navigation, allowing your audience to explore content at their own pace. This adds a dynamic layer, transforming a simple slideshow into an interactive experience. Once your presentation is complete, sharing it is straightforward. Generate a view-only link, allowing anyone to access and review your work without needing a Figma account. For live presentations, use Figma's built-in presentation mode, which offers a clean, full-screen experience. If offline access is needed, you can easily export your entire presentation as a PDF document or as individual image files, ensuring flexibility for various scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.